Hey everybody, Josh from Populi here. How do you currently handle transcript requests? Just receive a telegram over the wire requesting Howard Lovecraft's official transcript. Stop. Send by the next post to Susquehanna 2222. Stop. Step into the future with transcript requests. We're going to demonstrate how you can set up your Populi instance so students can request a transcript from within their Populi profile, charge a fee to their account, and then how your staff would fulfill that request by printing and mailing the transcript. This doesn't demonstrate the full range of what you can do with the transcript requests, but it'll get us started. We've got further resources linked below in the description if you want to dive down there. And why don't you go ahead and dive down there anyway and click that subscribe button and then turn on notifications by clicking that little bell so you don't miss anything. Let's talk roles. Users with the academic admin role can set this up, and then the request can be fulfilled by anyone with either the academic admin or registrar role. Let's go to a student's profile on a student demo account and have a look at their transcript options before we enable this setting. We'll go to the student's profile and then on to the student tab, and then under transcript, we'll click on transcript actions. We've got the option to export a transcript. This is just the unofficial transcript option that they can export for themselves, but this is where students will eventually get the ability to request transcripts from within Populi. Let's flip over to our academic admin account and look at setting up transcript requests. We're going to go to academics and then to transcript requests and then to settings. We're going to set enable official transcript requests to yes, and then we're going to come down here to charge method, and we'll choose to allow students to charge this request to their account so they can pay for it that way. Then down to default fee. In this case, we've already got the default fee set up, but if you don't have one set up already, you'll need to connect with someone on the financial side to get that working. I'm going to select that transcript request fee. The only other field that we'll mention right now is the send transcript request field. This allows you to search for someone with the staff role on your Populi instance and have them receive an email when you get transcript requests. Shh, I'm sending one to Gabe, the camera guy. Once you've done all that, you just need to scroll back up to the top and hit Save Settings there. And we're gonna go ahead and add a delivery method on this. So we'll click over to Delivery Method and then choose Add a Delivery Method. We're gonna call this one Standard Shipping, and our workflow that we're gonna choose will be print. Then we'll save that. Okay, now let's flip back over to our student account so we can see how the transcript request works from that perspective. On the profile under Student, under the Transcript tab there, and under Transcript Actions, we now have the option to choose Official Transcript Request. We'll do that. Then the student will, if they have more than one program or if they have credits in more than one program, choose the program that they want to request a transcript for. Once they've done that, they'll select a delivery method. We only have one delivery method, so that's coming up there as the only option. Then they input their name and they'll input any additional instructions there. It lets them know that they'll be charged $10 to their account. It supplies details it already knows. It does require a phone number here, so if that doesn't come up automatically, the student will need to input that. Then down here for the electronic signature, the student just types their name to electronically sign. Future is now. Then they hit submit. Now we'll turn back to the academic admin account to see the result. And the registrar role would be able to do this as well. Academics, transcript requests, we can see that we have a transcript request showing up there. Here it is right here. We've got some filters applied that are pointing us at incomplete transcript requests. So we can just click on this request here. And then it lets us know that the student has a current balance. So if there was some kind of requirement for them to pay that down before they could get a transcript sent out on their behalf, then you'd be able to deal with that. You can see other details about the transcript, charge method, all that kind of stuff. Now we have the option to fulfill the transcript request. So let's click that. And then remember that we're printing this transcript and mailing it. So we'll get the option to choose the correct layout there, input the recipient, and then preview that. If we realize that we've chosen the wrong transcript layout as we're looking at this, no big deal, we can just go back, choose the right one. Then if I click next, we'll have a few options as we finish this request. I can print the transcript right here. Now this doesn't mean that we'll hook up directly to your printer right from the browser. It means that, at least in the browser that I'm using, Safari, it'll pop up a window here, and then from there you can download that transcript to your computer and print it from your computer. This field down here lets me choose whether or not I want to send out an automatic email to the student to let them know that their transcript request has been fulfilled. Then we'll click complete and we're done, nearly. Depending on how you handle things, you might still need to print a mailing label or an envelope, so we'll click actions there and then click print mailing label. Under type, we could choose either the mailing label or an envelope, and then we can choose the layout of label that we want to use there, and then click print. Again, this opens up one of those little windows, and then you can download that to your computer and print from there. I have a request for you. Why don't you click like on the video, subscribe, and ring that notifications bell if you haven't already. We have more resources about transcript requests down in the description, and you'll find our social media links down there as well. I've been Josh for Populi. You've been great. Thanks for watching.